In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect 5.1 speakers to Samsung Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Smart TV from Samsung and you want to set up a 5.1 speaker system, you will have some choices in order to do this. First, for this video, I chose what I believe is the most straightforward and easy approach. Most Samsung Smart TVs will support this method, so all that you have to do is follow along. So for this method, the most common connection type is going to be HDMI eARC. So make sure that this option is enabled when you go into the expert settings on your Samsung TV. HDMI eARC. If your Samsung TV and your 5.1 system both support eARC, this is the ideal connection type. eARC can transmit high bandwidth uncompressed audio including Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, as well as standard Dolby Digital and DTS 5.1. So make sure that you buy a high quality cable that supports eARC. Usually they will mention it in the title like this one from Amazon. So setting it up couldn't be simpler. All that you have to do is connect an HDMI cable from the HDMI in ARC or HDMI in eARC port on your Samsung TV to the HDMI eARC out port on the speaker system. So you find the in port on the Samsung TV and the out port of the speaker system, and you will be able to set this up. It is easy to do, and once the cable has been properly inserted into each of these ends, just make sure that HDMI eARC mode is enabled on your Samsung TV. This is going to have the highest quality audio. It supports advanced audio formats, and it is a single cable connection, but it requires both devices to support eARC. If one of the devices do not support eARC, then you will most likely have to look into other alternatives, such as HDMI ARC, so not eARC but standard ARC, and also optical, where you can also use a cable to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 5.1 speakers to Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.